Are you a working parent thinking about starting a homeschool? Guess what? Many parents homeschool and work successfully without burnout or burning their budget. So let's explore our healthy homeschool hacks, 10 proven strategies for busy working parents to keep kids thriving. In this episode, we will explore real-world success tips on how to start and manage a healthy homeschool if you are working or have multiple obligations. Let's jump right in. 1. First, let's talk real estate. Think about your ideal homeschool and office spaces. Choose several dedicated areas that are comfortable, well-lit, and free from distractions for your child to focus on their studies. You don't need to start off buying expensive furniture or getting rid of the dining room table. Most children do well with a dedicated area and their learning tools. Just take note of your most productive working and learning spaces and find small ways to enhance it each week. 2. Establish a routine. Consistency is key. So set a schedule that works for your family, including study time, breaks, and extracurricular activities. There are several ideas about unschooling, where having the same daily schedule is not ideal when transitioning to homeschool. However, having a set expectation of daily or weekly work activities helps set boundaries and provides the mental space to grow your business. If you have a set work schedule or are trying to build a business, then expect to set aside a small amount of direct time with your child and outsource the rest of the daily academic schedule to oversee your child's work. Usually, it is no more time than you would expect to spend on assisting with homework if they were in a traditional school, around 2 hours each day. It could be broken up into chunks or completed in one sitting, but setting an expected time to complete a task is important to manage productivity and boundaries, no matter how simple it may be. 3. Be open to engaging with various educational tools. With that being said, let's clear up a misconception. You can buy the most expensive curriculum that was matched to your child's personality and learning profile, but it is not going to create the perfect homeschool. For most, curriculum is the first thing most beginner homeschool parents look for, and it ends up as a point of frustration for the entire family. Even traditional school educators have found that it takes time to find suitable homeschool learning tools, mostly because of the personalization needed to make each subject engaging. We asked for recommended practices from over 100 parents whose homeschooled children have professional careers. The majority said that they would have involved their child in choosing educational tools curriculum earlier and partner with mentor coaches more consistently to boost academic support. The village approach is the most reliable way to help busy homeschool parents observe talents and choose a suitable mentorship that matches a child's learning style with a parent's teaching goals. 4. Remember the importance of socialization. Connect with local extracurricular groups or special interest groups to engage your child with peers for group activities and learning experiences. Music ensembles, speech and debate clubs, athletic teams, and writing groups are great options to start. 5. Use time and task management tools. As a working mom, time management is crucial. Utilize tools like meal planning and grocery shopping apps, digital chore charts, and organization coaches to make your days run smoothly. 6. Keep in mind that self-care is essential. Take time for yourself to recharge, ensuring you're at your best to support your child's learning journey. 7. Monitor your child's progress. Regular assessments and evaluations will help you determine if adjustments need to be made to your homeschooling approach. Only one word of caution: don't use standardized testing as your only barometer for achievement. When they are younger, it is best to assess soft skills, such as logic building, social communication, and memorization over others. 8. Stay flexible and adapt as needed. Remember, homeschooling is a dynamic process, so don't be afraid to make changes to improve your child's educational experience. Also, your work or extracurricular needs may change, so be patient with the process. Over short periods of time, you will find something that your child has accomplished with consistent application. This does not have to be academic, as it could be an accomplishment from one of their extracurricular activities. 9. Celebrate your child's achievements. Acknowledge their hard work and success to boost their confidence and motivation. If you follow the tips in keeping a schedule, then this is easy to work in. 10. Partner with a coach. Even if you feel that you can do it all, you will benefit by having a business or academic coach to join you on your journey. It is best to have an academic coach as a resource to simplify and save time. With these tips, you're well on your way to beginning a healthy homeschool journey while managing your busy life. Feel free to reach out to one of our friendly academic network coaches when you need assistance. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Academic Networks. Engage, educate, and empower.